Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is readily available. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small parts. This simple replacement will restore full functionality to your key fob quickly. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your screwdriver to gently lift out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Test your key fob immediately to ensure all buttons are functioning correctly. If not, reopen and check the battery's orientation. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This simple fix saves you time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.